In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this yogurt. This delicious yogurt is called Reuteri yogurt. Reuteri yogurt. And it's made from lactobacillus, which is what the L stands for, Lactobacillus reuteri culture, which just makes this be a very healthy form of yogurt. There are a bajillion bits of information online about Reuteri yogurt and the health benefits. But this is one thing that I've added to our diet for improving the nutrition of the food that we eat. So this can take the place of yogurt just to eat, or you can also replace it for sour cream and buttermilk in your recipes. Let's get started. To make the yogurt, you will need to cook your yogurt for 36 hours. And so I got this yogurt maker, and you can use an instant pot or something that can be set at a continuous temperature of 100 degrees for 36 hours. It comes with 2 quart glass containers to put the yogurt in for it to cook. I guess that's the right word, cook. And then it has a timer and thermostat gauge right here. So it's so easy to keep track of. And with my schedule, I just needed easy. So once I set this, I just glance at it to see how many hours are left and kind of plan my day around taking it out of the yogurt maker. But that's at the very end. So let's get to getting and see how you make this. First, you will need the actual culture of the Reuteri yogurt, and L stands for lactobacillus and then reuteri. So this is a powder, and you will need inulin powder. This is the kind that I bought, and after I bought it, I found out that you can also use instant potato flakes. You will need a measuring spoon. You will need ultra pasteurized. I'm using whipping cream because I have this, but you can use skim milk or whole milk or 2%. You can use half and half, but this is what I'm using. I'm going to use this because it's easy to pour from the corners, and I need a quart container. So this is what I'm making. Reuteri yogurt. It's very similar to Greek yogurt. I personally like it better, and the cultures that are in this yogurt are supposed to be very, very good for your gut. Now, you know how important your gut is to have a smart brain, right? Well, I want a smart brain. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put my Lactobacillus reuteri culture into this glass container so that I can get it ready to put into my yogurt maker. And this is so easy. This comes with a little scoop, and you use 1 scoop for 8 ounces. Now, in this container, I'm going to make 1 quart. Or between these 2 containers, I'm going to make 1 quart. I have 1 quart of whipping cream. So that is how I'm determining that I need 1 scoop for each cup, because 4 cups make a quart. So I'm going to put 4 scoops. There we go. Now, of the inulin powder, I need a tablespoon and a half. So here's a tablespoon, half of a tablespoon, sort of, ish. It took me a little while to figure out why I needed inulin. So this is the way I understand it. You could compare this to yeast. You could compare this to sugar. When you're making bread, the yeast needs to eat the sugar to make the flour raise into bread. And that's the same concept. This is the culture. This eats the fiber to create the reaction needed to turn the milk into yogurt. So now I'm going to pour this quart of milk in here. But first I want to stir the culture and the inulin together. I want to kind of just get all the lumps out of it and just make sure it's stirred together well before I add all of the milk. It's kind of like when you make gravy and you don't want lumps in your flour before you put it into the hot broth to make the gravy. Kind of that same concept. I just don't want any lumps in it. And it just takes a minute. Just a minute. Now, if you have a glass pitcher that will hold a quart, you can use that. I just wanted something that was clear glass for this video, and this is all I had. I don't have a 4-quart pitcher, and I don't have a clear glass bowl. So I improvised. I used what I had. Okay, it looks like I have the lumps out of here. Now I'm going to, I spilled it. Now I'm going to add all of this. Make sure that any lumps that remain are kind of all mixed in there. This is so good. Oh, it is so good. And the first time I made it, I felt like I was watching a baby sleep. I just kept coming over here and looking at my yogurt maker, and I would see how much time was left, and I would lift the lid. And I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I would also lift that lid on the little containers to check and see the progress that it was making. And it was so fun. Actually, it brought me so much joy. Start noticing the little things in life that bring you joy. Sometimes life moves so quickly, and there's enough hard spots, hard places, that we don't always stop and recognize the joyous ones. But I think if you start paying attention, when joy does come along, you'll feel just a little quiver in your heart. Just something that makes you want to smile. So try to pay attention. Maybe it's just the way the flowers are growing, or the way the clouds look in the blue sky. It took me a while to realize that joy was a feeling, and when I paid attention, it was there. It is there. Even mixed in with difficult places. Both can be true. Joy and sorrow, joy and difficulty, joy and uncertainty. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my containers. Now, I love this yogurt maker, like I said, because it comes with these perfectly sized containers. But if you want to use quart jars in an Instant Pot, that's perfect. That'll work perfectly fine. I just didn't have an Instant Pot, and so I knew this would be so easy to keep track of the process, so I just did this. So you just plug it in, and then you set the temperature for 100 degrees. Then you set the timer for 36 hours. Now, that's all I have to do. In 36 hours, this will be ready. It will be yogurt like this. Then I just take these out and I set them into the fridge so they can cool, and that stops the process of the culture from continuing to cook. The longer the culture is in the heat, the 100-degree heat, I think it gets more sour. But this is very mild. It's delicious. You can eat it just like this, which I love to do. 1 cup has 8 grams of protein, and then you can add maple syrup or fruit or whatever you want to with it, and it's so healthy. There's a gajillion. Is gajillion? Well, there's a whole bunch of YouTube videos about this. So just go find whichever person you like to listen to, and they'll tell you all about it. All the health benefits for your body, for inflammation, for your brain, for your gut, just all the benefits. So I have been making this one, the Lactobacillus reuteri and Lactobacillus gasseri, and they just have an L period for the lactobacillus. So if you look it up, L period lactobacillus and L period gasseri. I'll put the link in the description of what I'm using, and this yogurt maker, I'm so excited about it. Like I said, I just keep coming over and checking. It's like watching a baby sleep, and you know how fun that is. Thank you so much for watching today. I love having you here, and I'll see you back on the next video.